Hey everyone, I just wanted to share our favorite pork roast recipe in the Yang household, and it's really simple. 4 ingredients. We use butt rub, onion powder, Celtic sea salt, and pepper. And so this is 6 pounds of pork roast that I marinated the night before. And so normally what I do is I use about a teaspoon of these 3, so the butt rub, onion powder, and Celtic sea salt per pound of meat. And then I'll use about half a teaspoon of pepper per pound of meat. So anyways, that's the butt rub, onion powder, everything mixed in. You got to make sure rub it in thoroughly. Then we wrapped it up and already pulled it out, and I put it in this cookware. And so now this goes in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. That's all you need. And then make sure when you take it out, if you're not sure if it's fully cooked, you can put a thermometer in. It should be around 150, 55, 160 if you're worried. But leave it, let it sit for 15 minutes. Let the juices marinate within the meat, because if you cut it too early, all the juice is going to come out and it's going to be really, really dry. So hope you like that. Give it a try, and I hope you enjoy it, because this is going to last us a couple days maybe in our house. Until next time, eat well to feel well.